Are you going away for some time and don't have anyone to water your houseplants? Well, this garden irrigation system made by RainPoint be there to water your plants when you can. To make this work, all you do is put your plants in one area, with a catch pot or tray underneath them. Download the app to your phone, and size the tubing included with the pump, so that each plant has their own emitter, which is easy to put together. I was going away for a week and a half and needed a way to water my plants, knowing that after about 5 to 7 days, some of them would start to suffer, so I set the app to water my plants the following Monday. And I was set. I know what you're thinking, but you shouldn't water on a schedule. And I agree, but a little extra water earlier than never, every now and then, won't hurt the plants. And it'll guarantee that when I get back, they'll all be alive and thriving. And so will yours. So check out the link in the caption.